In May, voters passed Prop 101, a half-penny sales tax increase designed to fund public safety needs and road repairs. Tonight, the city hosted an open house and asked members of our community what roads would they like to see fixed.
New tonight at 10, 9 on your side's Max Darrow breaks down what's to come.
Sanford Selznick marks the roads he'd like fixed on a map.
Tucson has problems all around. There are lots of neighborhoods that need help.
More specifically, in his Sam Hughes neighborhood.
Our roads are really bad. Our kids ride on them with their bicycles and parts are falling off them. It's incredibly rickety.
Meanwhile, fellow Tucsonans leave comments for the city on what roads they think are in need of repair.
One of the roadways I commented upon was Craycroft Road.
Why the city is asking? Well, the Tucson Department of Transportation's Mike Graham laid it out for the people at Thursday's open house. From 2018 to 2022, $100 million will go into road repairs. That's thanks to voters passing Prop 101.
People should take pride in their community, and this gives them that sense of pride when we have good infrastructure.
$60 million will go towards fixing the main arterial roads in town, 5th Street, for example.
$40 million will go to the local street program.
So you see this map right here, all these green zones are quarter-mile segments of local roads that the city is considering for the project. On Vanessa Cassio's mind,
it's really important that when we're thinking about residential streets, we're thinking about connectivity for not just cars, but people on foot and on bike, and people are taking transit.
Many in the building pleased with the plans. However, they hope the city has a new way to keep the roads in good condition once they're fixed. Now get this, Graham explained in his presentation that some of the roads here in Tucson have not been touched for more than 30 years. Now, another common theme among the people in the building that it's not just about the cars on the road. These roads are for cyclists, public transit, pedestrians. Everyone there uses the roads, so fixing them is just long overdue.
Okay, quite a turnout they had there.
Really was.
Yeah. Thank you, Max.